Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite some time. I hope you all are having a great start to the new year. I know mine's been a little rocky just because I've been sick, but I'm back and I feel a lot better now. I'm super excited to be bringing this video to you guys. I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite like healthy, sweet tooth, satiating snacks. Took me a while. They are healthy and high in protein, so we want to start the new year on a good note, right? That's normally how it goes, but we want to sustain it. Normally when I start getting into the groove of having cleaner snacks and eating a lot more fruit, incorporating more fruit into my diet, my body seems to crave natural sugars. I don't know, my body just knows the difference between processed sugars than natural sugars. I really hope you guys give these a go. I have like a little fuzz on my nose. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you here, so please subscribe. Like this video if you enjoy these kinds of videos. I love food videos personally. And also leave comments down below if you want to see something specific. If you guys have any suggestions, I am open to them. So let's get into snack making. For the first snack, you are going to want some non-fat Greek yogurt. I personally like non-fat. And some fruit of your choice. I like using berries because they're lower in sugar and high in antioxidants and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna use some blueberries and strawberries, and then some of this protein cranberry almond granola that I have. I have a good amount in here, so I'm just gonna use it up. You're gonna want a bowl because we're gonna mix in honey into our Greek yogurt, which is another ingredient that you need. You're also going to want some parchment paper. So what this first snack is, it's like, it's called a yogurt bark. So what you're doing is you are going to mix your Greek yogurt with honey just to make it a little bit sweeter. And because it is plain, I mean, I guess you can get like vanilla flavored, but I like the plain. And then you're going to want to scatter your blueberries all over it, and also your strawberries. I'm cutting mine up into smaller pieces, and then I'm just going to pretty much put the granola all over the place as well. And then what you're gonna wanna do, put this in the freezer and let it harden. And then after about maybe 30 minutes to an hour or so, it's gonna be hard. And then you can just snap it and eat it. It's like a to-go snack. On the quick, on the go snack. For the next snack, you are going to need bananas. I'm just gonna be using 2, and then nuts of your choice. So I have pecans here that I already roughly chopped, and some chocolate that you're going to have to melt. So I just put like a little bit of coconut oil and pop it in the microwave, and I do intervals of like 30 seconds, and then I'll just check on it and mix it until it's completely melted. Normally bananas aren't my fruit of choice, to be honest with you, but they literally are so good in this snack, so I feel like you guys are really gonna enjoy it. We're just gonna go ahead and melt our chocolate first. This chocolate is pretty much already melted. Here, let me just start off with 1 banana. Yeah, that's about right there. Oh, and I need some sticks. These sticks that I use for like kebabs. So you can just use these, and then you're gonna want to coat it in chocolate. Take the excess off. I'm gonna end up putting them in the freezer as well. You just want to do that with the rest of your bananas. You want to go ahead and pop those bananas in the freezer as well because you want the chocolate to harden and the nuts to stick to it. So just put those in the freezer, and these are the chocolate chips that I use. They are vegan. Enjoy Life mini chips. I really like these. They also have the big chunks, which are really good for making cookies. Moving on to our last snack, you are going to need some pears. Some pears. I know this pear looks really bruised, but that's okay. It's still good. We're gonna pop it in the oven anyway, so it's going to get brown. You're going to need a pear or two, however many you want. You're going to need honey, and then a nut of your choice as well, and also Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. This one's probably the most simplest out of all of these. It's very, very easy to just do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that. I am so sorry if the lighting is not the best. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go charge it real quick. But now that I have my pears, you want to place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So I will see you guys back when they are done. So the pears have finally come out of the oven, and they just look so nice and roasted. I just paired it with some Greek yogurt, and let's give it a try. They're supposed to be really like, it literally came off like butter. If you want to be a little more naughty, if you will, you can add like a scoop of dairy-free vanilla ice cream. It's just gonna melt right on top. It's so good. They're so soft. Look, it's just literally, this is such a good like breakfast. I was thinking of adding some more honey on top of the Greek yogurt because it's completely plain. Like I just put plain Greek yogurt, but the pear is so sweet with the honey that I added to it. You don't even need it. Like it's really balanced with the Greek yogurt. So delicious. And obviously you can customize it to your whatever you want. If you want to add pecans instead, maybe a little bit of chocolate chips on top, maybe like some maple syrup. You can literally make it your own. So I just decided to do it like this because it's simple. He's literally, oh, he's eating my shoes. I don't get it. This is the final look with my yogurt berry bark and the bananas. Alright everyone, this concludes the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my ideas and healthy snacks. I hope you got some inspiration out of this. You can customize every single snack that I showed here, like the bark. You can add different fruit, you can add vanilla yogurt, you can add nuts instead of granola. You can literally make it your own, and same goes for the bananas. You can literally customize it to whatever you prefer. And yeah, I really wanted to bring you guys this video just to kickstart the new year and, you know, choose healthier options or healthier alternatives. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I had a fun time making these treats, and I know my boyfriend's gonna have a fun time eating them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my pear. This was probably my favorite, to be honest with you, just because it's warm, and I love pears, especially warm. It kind of reminds me of like a peach cobbler type, some sort of thing. But yeah, you could even add granola to this on top. How yum would that be? But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so I can continue making videos like this. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.